So hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove faux locks. So this is how you remove the Marley locks, but you can use this as a template to remove different types of faux locks that you may have. So I'm just going to use this moisturizing splash with softeners and proteins, and what it's going to do is just open up the areas where there's a lot of build-up. So I'm gonna put that on there first just to soften that up, so when I do eventually go there, I'm able to just comb out the build-up. So just get that working in there, put plenty in there. And so now, so you can see the hair ends around here. So we're not going to cut here, but what we're going to do is just extend it to a safe space so that we're making sure we're not cutting. Actually, no. I'm going to cut around here. So she's got highlights in her hair, which is good. So cut further away from where you think your hair ends, just to minimize you actually cutting your hair. So I've cut it now. I'm just taking out. Want to come a bit closer? So I'm just taking it out like this, like so. Like this. So with the Marley locks, all I've done is like a wrapping motion, so it's fairly easy to unwrap. But you might get to a point in your faux locks where there's no more wrapping and you're gonna have to cut through. So you can get a skinny scissors or just something that you can literally just go through like this. So you have to be careful at this point because you're trying not to cut within the plait. You're trying to cut outside of the plait. So that's what you do. And you're gonna keep on tugging it until it just all comes out. If you feel like this is too difficult, there is a hair removal service that you can book, and I'll be able to help you with all of this. But you know, this is for those who want to give it a try themselves. But yeah, this part is always the tricky part with getting out faux locks, the top part. Okay, so I'm just cutting through. Going through, and yeah, it's opened up. Okay, do you want to come a bit closer? So yeah, the last thing that I do is literally just take the hair out. Get the hair out like this, and then you're left with this, and then I'm gonna just pull it out. Oh, can I breadcrumb from it? So with the plait, it's very easy to take out. And I'm gonna show you something, how well the softeners open up the breakage. No, not the breakage, the build-up, the product build-up. So easy. Literally so easy. And then you can just slowly break it up, comb it out. And that's it. All done. The hair is obviously shed, so you're gonna see some shedding of the hair, but this is how you successfully take out a faux lock. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, bye.